Hello YouTubers. In today's video I'm going to be covering this Scorpion automotive car throttle lock, which one of my friends or the dealer from Excel has provided me to take a test review of it, how the product is, and if we can make a small video out of it. So this is the product packaging. It comes with one unit that we can lock on the throttle and front brake. It comes with a set of 2 keys and rubber packing. Okay, there's rubber packing in it. I'll just open it and show it to you. So these are the product includes a set of 2 keys, the main lock. Okay. This is how it looks. The key goes in here. Okay. And it's not like the regular keys which we get in the which we get for the disc brake locks and all, which can open with any keys, but it has its own combinations. And we have 2 of these rubber packings, if just in case the throttle is smaller or slimmer. So I'm going to be making this video for the FZ that I got from my friend, not friend actually. This FZ belongs to Throttle Lock Designs Mukul. So thank you Mukul for this bike, and I'll now just mount this lock on the FZ and show it to you guys. So this is how we mount it. This opens up completely. The 2 parts separate out. It has got a strong hinge here, and this opens out. So what this lock does is it locks your throttle. So the person trying to steal the bike cannot throttle your bike ahead. Okay. Second thing what it does is it locks the disc brake lever too. So your bike front wheel gets jammed and the person won't be able to take it off the stand too, if it's there on the main stand, or if it's on the side stand he will not be able to move the bike too. I'll take the bike off the stand and show you a small demo of it too. So I'm trying to take the bike off the stand, but I'm not able to push it. You can see the front wheel is jammed, so it is not able to move ahead. Okay. Show you how to install this. So this is how the lock comes. You lock it this way, and you put first part on the throttle side. Put your brake lever inside. Okay. Lock it up. Push the key inside. We're done. So this way your bike gets locked. Okay. The accelerator is not able to move ahead. Brake is also locked. Okay. Now I'll show you a small demo of I'm moving the bike ahead and behind. I'm not able to push it. If you see the front wheel is locked. Okay. So here's again a demo of the bike on the side stand, and I'm trying to push the bike, but it doesn't move ahead because the handle is locked. Now I'm not applying much pressure. This is very light. Still this brake is holding it back. So this way your bike can get safe. The locks are available in 3 colors as shown in this picture. So if you've liked this video, please do hit the like button, share it ahead with your friends, and if you're watching it for the first time, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Dipen from Pune.